Hello everyone. Today I am here with a very simple home remedy for cough and cold using betel leaves. Betel leaves are easily available, so you can use betel leaf and cure your cough very effectively. Betel leaves can solve respiratory issues. It removes cough and cold and gives relief from asthma. Betel leaves will give relief from cold and cough because it has antibiotic effects. This reduces inflammation due to cough. Betel leaf is again an ideal cure for bronchitis as well. Now in this home remedy that I am going to show today is for adults. So you can take a betel leaf, clean it, wash it well, and to this you have to add a small piece of ginger. Amount of ginger depends upon your taste. So to this you are going to add 4 peppercorns and 2 cloves. Also a teaspoon of honey. Now you can just fold all the ingredients together and consume. All your ingredients are ready. Just fold this leaf like how you fold your pan and you can consume it. Also, before consuming it, you have to remove the tip as well as the bottom of the pan and then consume it. Now you can have this 3 times a day until your cough is completely gone. Morning, afternoon and night after your meal. And I'm sure within a week your cough and cold will be completely cured. I will tell you how to use betel leaf for babies. So if you want to use it for babies, then you can steam for 4 to 5 betel leaves until they are comfortably warm, and then you can apply some mustard oil onto it, and then you can cover it on your child's chest in a thin layer, and then you can leave this for around 10 to 15 minutes and then you can remove it. You can do this when the baby sleeps so that you can easily get the process done. This also is very effective for removing the cough and cold from babies. And for younger kids, you can make a concoction out of the betel leaf using ginger, betel leaf, clove and peppercorn. You can add this into and make a tea, and then you can add more of honey to it, and then you can give it like a tea for your kids to drink. When given in the form of concoction, you can give it once a day. Black pepper is enriched with vitamin C. It boosts immunity. It helps for productive cough, and it's the simplest home remedy. It acts as an expectorant and reduces the cough. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties which helps reduce irritation in the throat and lungs, as well as clearing the airway and relieving the dry cough. Honey is time-honored remedy for sore throat. According to a study trusted, it can resolve the cough more effectively than OTC medicines. That means over-the-counter medications. Clove contains phenolic compounds such as eugenol and gallic acid, which are anti-inflammatory and antibacterial in nature. Packed with medicinal properties, clove not only relieves the sore throat, also alleviates the pain caused due to persistent coughing. Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.